Welcome to Dynamic Medicos. In this video, I am going to talk about hernia. What is hernia? It's an protrusion of viscous or a part of it through a weak point in the body or the opening is known as hernia. Word meaning of hernia is to protrude, to bud or to offshoot. It's an abnormal protrusion of a viscous or a part of it through a weak point in a body or an opening, artificial or the natural sac with covering it. Let's see the classification of hernia. First is anatomical classification. It can be of direct hernia or the indirect hernia. And the next classification is based primarily on the defect, which helps in planning the appropriate repair. Type 1 is indirect hernia with a normal deep ring. Type 2 is indirect hernia with dilated deep ring. Type 3 is based on posterior wall defect, which can be direct or the pantaloon, and or it can be a femoral. And type 4 is a recurrent hernia. The European Hernia Society classification: primary, recurrent, lateral, medial, femoral. Defect site assumed to be 1.5 cm. External and internal hernia. In the external, most common hernias are inguinal, femoral, umbilical and incisional. External rare hernias are pygelian, gluteal, obturator, lumbar, and internal hernias are diaphragmatic hernia, esophageal and paraesophageal hernias. Etiology or the risk factors for the hernia. First is congenital, persistent processus vaginalis sac, chief cause of the indirect hernia, collagen fiber disorder. Then obesity, chronic causes of increased intra-abdominal pressure, chronic cough, constipation or the ascites. Now let's see pathophysiology of the hernia. Defect or the weakness in the muscular wall may be congenital or acquired weakness, or it can be caused by trauma, which leads to increase in intra-abdominal pressure as a result of any risk factor that discussed before, and as a result of the weakness of the abdominal wall and the increased pressure, the abdominal contents can protrude, which causes herniation. When the contents of the hernial sac can be replaced into abdominal cavity by a manipulation, the hernia is said to be a reducible. Otherwise, it is an irreducible type of hernia. Types of hernia. Reducible hernia. This is a type of hernia in which the content of sac reduces simultaneously or can be pushed back manually. A reducible hernia impart an exponential impulse on coughing. Second is irreducible hernia. In this type of hernia, the content cannot be returned to the peritoneal cavity, either because there are adhesion between the sac and contents or because of the narrow neck of the sac. Next is obstructed hernia. It's an hollow viscous is trapped within the sac and obstruction occurs. The blood supply remains intact. This is a common cause for small bowel obstruction. Next is strangulated hernia. The arterial blood supply to the content of the sac is compromised. In such hernias, unless a surgical relief is undertaken, the content of the sac will become gangrenous. Next is inflamed hernia. In this type of hernia, the content of the sac becomes inflamed. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel Dynamic Medicos.